everybody, so we got a quick video about a Milwaukee tool. It is the Milwaukee M12 brushed caulking gun. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. It's an unboxing. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so today we're going to be taking this tool out of the box. We're going to be looking at it. I will do a separate video on a demonstration of it being utilized. Just want to get this video out there, that way you guys can see what's coming up on the channel. This is the M12 cordless 10-ounce caulk and adhesive gun. I do believe you can get the bigger barrels for this as well. I don't think you have to buy another model. They do have an M18 model as well. This is the M12 version, which is part number 2441-20. I got this at a Home Depot in Phoenix. The problem with the Home Depots around me, in a 60-mile radius of me, they don't have a lot of the specialty tools, or a lot of them don't have, the MX line. A lot of them don't have the large SDS hammers. A lot of them don't have, quite a bit actually. Most of them around me have just the small tools, the M12 tools, very little selection, as well as a little selection of the M18 tools. Mostly the hammer drills, the regular drills. Most of them aren't fuel. And what little they do have of fuel is very little. But, so, the specs on this guy are on the back. The box isn't too bad. It's got a little tiny hole at the top. I'm sure the tool's just fine. Constant flow technology and consistent beads, resulting in cleaner, faster installation. Top speed dial and variable speed trigger. Complete dispensing rate control. Compact and lightweight, up to 40% less weight than competitive cordless caulk guns. Anti-drip, automatically reverses plunger, relieving pressure from the tube. 400 pounds of pushing force, easily dispenses common construction sealants and adhesives. Red lithium battery dispenses up to 150 10-ounce tubes of building sealant per charge. I think that might be referring to a 6 amp hour. That doesn't actually say. Alright. So let's get this open. Also got one other Milwaukee tool as well that we're going to be unboxing on a separate video. And we have a bag right here, which is empty. Not really sure why there's a bag there and it's empty. It looks like maybe the plunger was supposed to be in the battery. Let's see if it's the same size. Yeah, it's pretty close to the correct size. It looks like this was not sitting in the bag. Probably the way I pulled it out of the box. We want the tool. Tool in another box. So it's just another cardboard backing box. And we have the little plunger plate and a screw. Plunger is plastic, or the plunger plate is plastic, I should say. It's a little round right here, but should be alright. This is metal. A little baggie off the handle. do like that it rotates. I do like that this thread piece rotates right here. It does have a puncture pin for your tube. Let me grab a battery. It's just a 2.0 compact is all I grabbed. It does function, it does back off like it's supposed to. That's slow. It's definitely not very loud. 6. It's moving pretty quick. A little tipsy. Okay. Put this guy on here. It is keyed. It is this piece is actually more rectangle upright. So this direction it's rectangular. So this piece only goes on 2 ways. Is that that's a Phillips. Looks like a Phillips number 2. You use just a Milwaukee Stubby screwdriver. Don't He-Man it. It's not, you know, that critical. Just put it on snug. Just slide this back over. You didn't probably have to take this off like I did. It does rotate still. The battery indicator is on the back. Battery needs to be charged. It only has 2 bars. Here's the trigger lockout right there. Slide the handle back. I'm pretty sure you can get the bigger bars as well as the cone. I do have a tube of caulk here that I've opened already. This is DAP Flexible All-Purpose Waterproof Sealant. Stays crystal clear, non-yellow, and clearer than silicone. This stuff works pretty well. I do like it. So, standard 10-ounce tube. This is actually a 10.1 fluid ounce tube. You can push it forward to lock the tube in place, and then you can start with the trigger. So it's very nice. The motor is very easy to deal with. So you can push it in, pull it back like a standard caulk gun. Feels nice, doesn't look like there's any damage to the tool. So I will, in the next video, I'll be using more of this tube. I also did get this tube seal cover at Home Depot as well, on a different video, previous video. I don't want this video to be too long though. I appreciate you guys checking out the video. If you guys have this caulk gun, let me know down below in the comments what you think of it, how long you've had it. You know, do you like it? Do you dislike it? Have you had problems with it? In the comments. It does come with a little pamphlet. These pamphlets you can register. Right there, you go to MilwaukeeTool.com, sign up to enter. Then you just put the tool that you bought. No need for a code. And it has the instruction booklet as well. I appreciate you guys watching. Again, please like, comment, subscribe. I'd appreciate it if you guys hit the bell notification icon. I'd appreciate it if you smush the bell notification icon. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I will put a link to either Home Depot or Acme Tools or Ohio Power Tools down below. Whichever one's cheaper, I'll let you guys know in the description which place is cheaper. Appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!